Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to dodge and burn your images in Photoshop. The dodge and burn highlights your face in your image. So let's start the video. So before starting, I want to tell you guys that what is dodge and burn. The dodge and burn are often used to either lighten underexposed areas of a photo or darken overexposed area of a photo. The dodge and burn in Photoshop are often used to make our images unique. In simple words, dodge is used to brighten an area, while burn is used to darken an area in our image. So let's start the video. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image. There are two images on which I applied dodge and burn. If you want to download these images, then check the link in the description of this video. You can download it for the practice. So first, we will apply dodge and burn on this image. Select the background layer, then press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer and rename this layer as dodge. Now click here to blend this layer and blend this layer to the screen. Now double click here to open layer style option. Now in the underlying layers option, move the black slider to the white. As you can see, this is that the corners are very harsh. So press and hold Alt key on your keyboard and then click here and move it to the white side. Now press OK. Now again select the background layer and then press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer and bring it to the top and name as bird. Now blend this layer to the multiply and double click here. Now move the white slider to the black side. Again press and hold Alt key and click here and move it totally to the right side. Now press OK. Now press and hold Ctrl and select both layers, and by pressing Ctrl G you can make a group of these layers, and you can simply drag and click here to make a group of these layers. So as you can see this that these two layers are in one group. Now select the group and make a mask around it. Now go to the image, make sure that the mask is selected. Go to image, then select apply image. Don't change any setting. Make sure that the opacity is 100% and then click OK. Now, as you can see this that how amazingly it highlights the face. You can decrease the opacity, but in my image it is perfect about 90%. You can also decrease the fill. So let's try this dodge and burn technique on this image. Press Ctrl J. Name this as dodge and this is as burn. Select the dodge, blend this layer to the screen, hide this layer. Now double click here. Press and hold Alt key and then move the slider. Press OK. Go to the burn, blend this layer to the multiply. Double click here to open layer style option. Then press OK. Select both these two layers and press Ctrl G to make a group of this layer click here to make a mask around it. Go to image, then select apply image. Make sure that the opacity is 100% and don't change any settings. Press OK. Make its opacity to about 80%. So as you can see, this is how amazingly it edits the skin. You can also do some more stuff, as you can apply some effects. You can edit it in camera. So let's edit this image in camera. Select the background layer and press Ctrl J. Hide this layer, then press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers. This is the before and this is the after. So edit this image in camera by pressing Ctrl Shift A. Then press OK. So this is the before and this is the after. So as you can see, this is how amazingly we edit our image. And by dodge and burn technique, it adds a highlights in our face. You can also do camera adjustments with this image. So this is the before image and this is the after image. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video.